Hello, is my screen visible? Just let me know. Hello, am I audible? Am I visible? Just confirm me. Then we'll start. Okay then. Then let's start today's session. We'll start from Euro USD. Initially, I was bias was bullish in Euro. Okay, I was looking for a price to hit this order block. This is a pretty good order block, right? Price rejected below this lows, and we're going to reach. So automatically, this candle highs becomes order on liquidity. Okay, this becomes order on liquidity, and this was the order block which is created, and price closed above. So I was looking for a price to hit this order block, and I started moving higher, right? So this was my key level. Daily key level was there. Also, I tried to find out one more key level, which was a 4-hour key level, which was already here. I look how it is perfectly aligned. It was a daily key level, right? So it was a daily key level, and also we have a 4-hour fair value gap. So there are two key levels which is aligned together, right? So that is the reason why I was not expecting price to come to this fair value gap, right? Because I was expecting this should remain breakaway gap and this should get filled and we should move higher, but unfortunately we missed the entry, did not come to my entry. Okay, and I was not looking at the DXY. See, if I would have just looked at the DXY, if you see the DXY, what has happened that it has filled this fair value gap, and it also got the order block, it also got tapped, right? The order block got tapped. We also have the 4-hour fair value gap similar to DXY, sorry, Euro USD. So both the key levels, it got tapped here, but in Euro we did not got tapped. So it was the case of SMT, right? I just, when I saw that the price expanded higher, here I just looked into the DXY. It was my mistake. I did not saw that DXY already filled, but Euro did not do that. So it's happened. Okay, currently I am in short in BTC, right? Yesterday I took a short, I got stopped out. At this order block I got stopped here. Took my target was this low, but I got stopped out. Again I re-entered here, this order block. I'm looking for a price to take out these lows, Friday lows or Sunday lows, you can say. Sorry, Monday low. Sorry, Monday low or Sunday low, and eventually going to this 4-hour fair value gap is my drawn liquidity, right? So let's see whether we are able to reach the target or not, right? So yeah, and GBP, if you'll see, and GBP again the bias was pretty much same, right? Bullish, but until price taking out this high, right? So but the moment it took out the high, I am not bullish now, right? Hello Krishna bro, how are you, right? Okay, so yeah, so now right now there is no bias, nothing else we can do, so better to wait for the daily closing, and only we'll able to decide whether we are moving higher or lower, right? As of now, in higher, if you see there's a fair value gap here, this can be your drawn liquidity, right? But right now it's better to stay away from this pair. Okay, any pair you would like to take a look, right? I'm currently US 500, we'll see showing bullishness right now, right? And maybe we can fill this fair value gap as well as imbalance. So if price has to reach there, this 4-hour fair value gap should hold, right? This should hold. So this 4-hour fair value gap should show me some bullish price action right here, then only I'll be confident enough to look for longs. But right now, let price come here, then only we can see. Okay, until then, stay away. Sorry, there is a monthly OB in GU. Let's see that if there is a monthly OB is there or not in GU. 1 month. It's there, but it already got tapped. Bearish, bullish was also there. Let's go. Oh, gold. I missed this move. Look, if you would have caught the gold here, this was the only good trade, right? I shared this signal to one of my friend. Okay, but I forgot to took. This was the price took out the low, closed, so it was a good order block, closed above the opening price, right? And it got tapped and we expanded higher. Right now it is expanding higher and higher. Do not try to look for reversal. Okay, better wait for price to create a down close candle like this, and again closed above this down close candle, and use that as an order block to expand higher. That is the only thing we can do right now. If you are in longs, so stay in the long or take some partials, or if you want to look for the entries, then we have to wait. Better entries will be inside this fair value. But let's wait. Do not, the worst thing you can do is try to trade from here to here. That's very wrong thing to do. Wait for price to come here. You don't know how it will come. It can come immediately or it can consolidate longer enough, then it will come. So you never know how it is gonna come. Better wait for your price to hit that key level and then look for longs. NAS 100 tapped, bro. NAS 100, but it got tapped. Okay, let me book just a sec. My TP got hit, right, in this thread. I'll show the execution. It got hit. I did not share this to you guys. The reason was, okay, to BTC, I don't think many people trade this pair. That's the reason I did not share this to most of you guys. It was a good trade. At first I got stopped out, right? It was my mistake, to be honest, and I did not saw there's a BT CME gap was there, so I did not saw that. Okay, almost both the TP got hit now. Okay, I will post that execution thing in our Telegram group. Okay, at first I got stopped out, but it was a good trade. I'll explain the trade idea. It was according to the daily bias. I shared this. I explained the bias thing in the mentorship. Okay, so it was according to that only. Okay, those who guys are in the group, they knew. Okay, Okay, I set the execution. Now let's see. If you go to the daily time frame, let me remove all everything, right? What you can see is that what you can see, there is a two variable gaps are there, right? Wait, shorter. There's a variable gap which is available here. Okay, which is just a sec, just a minute. Let me see. I can't see. Yeah, now I can see you. I can see the charts. Okay, now let me explain this trade idea. The idea was to look for long, short bias was bearish. This is the fair value gap, you can see, right? And what you can say is that this is a pretty good order block which is created inside the fair value gap. That's a, I have explained, this is a high probability order block, so you can use this order block. Okay, I will target this low, which is a inside candle low, right? This candle has one more candle, so this is the inside candle low and inside candle high, right? So this is my drawn liquidity. I look for short from the 1 hour, 1 hour key level. Try to find out the 1 hour key level. What is the 1 hour key level you have? See, this is a good order block. Why? Because it took out the liquidity. Ignore this week. This is not a good. We ignore this week. Price took out this candle liquidity. Price closed below. So there we go. This was your key level. Okay, so you can look for short here at this key level. That was my entry. Okay, that was my entry, and here I took the entry. My stop loss was above this high. It was 2 hour trade. Yes, 2 hour. I guess it was much more higher. Yeah, around that. So it was 2 hour trade, not more or less than that. Pretty good. I just only use one method. I do not manage the trade. I'll be honest. I do not manage the trade, and I just set and forget, right? I just put my TP and SL and then I'll solve. No bro, there is no opportunity, I guess. As in EUR, the only opportunity was already there, but I did not hit my key level and I got hit, so there is no any opportunity. Let's see this this one, US 500. It came to this, right? I'm not sure, right, whether it's gonna reverse from here or not. Okay, because basically we are trying to trade the retracement of this this downtrend. So anything can happen. A price can reverse from here or it can continue higher, right? Better what you can do is to wait, let this candle closes, like there are 20 minutes left, right? So if 20 minutes left, price closes below, okay, and the next 1 hour price closes above this, this becomes an order block. Now you can use this order block to enter and target this high as well as this weekly imbalance and fair value gap. This is you can do here, but as of now, do not jump in this trade immediately. There's nothing else, okay, to do. Any pair you guys like me to explain to you see if there is any opportunity in another pair, you can just suggest me. We can check that out. It's been long. We have not done any live session, nothing else. If you enter in H1 AB, yes bro, then proper SL is yes. Yeah, perfect. If you enter at the H1 AB, then yeah, you will have the proper SL swing low. Yes, perfect. At the end, you will have the swing low as a SL. Okay. Right now, if you enter immediately, nothing. There's nothing else there. Yeah. Except for our fair value gap, you can enter here immediately. Okay. Inside the fair value gap, putting the stop loss here, but the chances of getting stopped out is pretty much higher. Okay. So why not doing weekly analyst? Yeah, I will do, bro. Sometimes no, I do. I don't. No, I'm lazy, to be honest. That's the reason I did not do, but I will try to maintain the consistency from now on. Okay. Odd USD. Let's check that pair out. Odd USD. What you can see now, all the pair are checking out the Monday high. This is the Monday range. This is the Monday low. If you want, you can put that indicator on this one. This is the only indicator which you want to use. You can use this ICT everything, the indicator name. I don't know why it is not opening. So it almost took out the Monday high, right? So maybe this indicator ICT everything, it's a good one. So Monday high, Monday low, maybe Monday range is the first draw and Monday low. Let's take that daily time frame. What we have daily time frame, we have nothing so far. We only have this order block. So wait for the price to hit the order block, and then we can expect higher prices. Until then, nothing we can do. Okay. USD JPY was bullish on Monday. See, this trade would have taken out, but I was already in Bitcoin. That's why I did not took. This was a good trade. Too long here. Look, do you guys want to know how I actually do? No, if you are here, I can explain what I do. How I do. Then only you're able to understand. You can ask the right question. What I do not look for trade in 1 hour and 4 hour time frame. First I check daily time frame. Every pair, the first step is to check daily time frame in all the pair which I have in my watch list, right? And then I try to figure out the daily bias by using some candlesticks pattern, right? Or try to find out key levels. So if I am convinced that in this pair I am able to figure out the bias, then I look for entry in the 1 hour and 15 minute or 4 hour time frame. That's the how I do, right? If you see today in USD/JPY, this was on Monday was over Tuesday. There was no bias for me, right? Bias can do anything else, so I did not touch that pair. Okay, if you go to the Bitcoin, right, there was a pretty good bias was there for me. Bearish bias taking out. This was a drawn liquidity. This was the order block. Everything was there. The reason why I took the trade in Bitcoin. EUR/USD, I have the bias, bullish bias, right? Because there is a daily key level and also 4 hour key level aligned together, and there is a drawn liquidity. So this is how I do. Sometimes there will be no bias in any other pair. Sometimes there will be bias in all the pairs. Sometimes there will be bias in only a single pair. So yeah. So if there is a bias in higher time frame, there should be a higher time frame narrative and higher time frame logic behind any trade. I am done with all the 1 minute and 5 minutes bullshit, right? I'm just focusing on the higher time frame, not higher time frame. I mean daily time frame for my bias, 1 hour and 50 minutes for my execution. That's the model. That's why I do, right? And the more sometimes CRT will be there, sometimes order block will be there, sometimes fair value gap will be there. But yeah, you just understand the order flow, take the trade in the direction of the order flow. There are few things you should remember, that you should not try to predict highs and lows like top and bottom, right? If price is moving, in a direction, keep trading in that direction. Do not try to predict the order flow, right? What is going to happen. Do not just trade in the direction of the order flow. Do not try to trade the reversal or retracement. That's what I can do. Okay, let's just come to this. The reason why I'm saying anything can happen. The order flow is still bearish, nothing has changed. So yeah, so better wait for the confirmation. In this scenario, in this type of scenario, I usually wait for confirmation. Okay, I hope you guys learned something new today. What is the process? And this process, I learned it from the Tom Dante itself. He also trade only when there is a daily bias. If there is no daily bias, there is no trade. He trades other markets as well, which is a different strategy, but I'm only focusing on the short term trading, right? In between scalping and swing. That's all. 4 to 5 hours. Sometimes it lasts up to 1 day holding, but mostly your trade will be over around 6 to 8 hours, right? And if you're lucky, then you can trade can be over within 15 minutes, 1 hour, under 1 hour. Okay, any other pair you can see you are able to figure out any bias? You can ask, you can suggest me. Let's see. Dow Jones is looking bullish than the USD CAD. Then we have this order block here. Okay, we also have the fair value gap here, which is not been tapped yet. We also have a daily fair value gap as our down liquidity. Okay, so pretty good. Let's wait for price to come here, and then only we're able to see what's going to happen, right? Wait for a lower time frame confirmation here, then we can look for higher prices. Any guys, anything else? Why you guys are so silent? There's only 7 likes. What happened? Which one, bro? Which 100k account you were asking about? Still, I did not took the still I did not traded the account. Still it's there. That 100k account is still there. I'll be trading now. I'm still in trading Quantical and other pair that is on hold. The daily expense 100k account. Nothing. GBP, USD, JPY, USD CAD. Let's see what is happening in here. Nothing so far. Gold. What's tanking? US 30. It's gonna come. Let's see. Wait for price to reach here. Anything else? Minimum RR you suggest 1:2 is all you need. Tomorrow if so not looking for any setup today. Good. Why? What's the logic? Bibu. Why you're not looking for setup any setup today? What's the reason? Is someone told you not to do it, or did you backtest it? Your strategy it doesn't work. That's it for the FOMC. Minimum RR, bro. It's 1:2. No, it's not about minimum RR, bro. It's about your win rate, right? Even 1:1 is good if you have high win rate. So it's not about RR. It's about win rate. Okay, my win rate is on in between 60 to 70%, right? Between 60 to 70. So let's say that is the way. The reason I only look for 1:2. That's all. So you have to figure out what's your win rate. Okay, my win rate is in between 60 to 70. I'm not gonna brag or say 80 to 90. No, it's between 60 to 70. So I always look for 1:2. If there is no 1:2, then I do not prefer to take that trade. Okay. Anything else you guys want to ask? The win rate. Market is too much boring right now. This strategy my control for some major news. If you guys want to backtest a strategy, right? Scalping strategy. Right now I'm trying to figure out still it's not, I'm not trading, I'm just working on that strategy, right? It's a scalping strategy. Okay, so you have to trade only US 500 Nasdaq, not any other pair. Nasdaq, right? The strategy is pretty simple. You have to wait for between 950 to 1010 or 1050 to 1110. You have to look for, right? You have to look for this price taking out a swing low, breaking a structure. I mean, not breaking a structure, doing a inversion, right? Just closing our inversion, and you take the entry here. And yeah, your entry should be between these two time window, right? So if so, you backtest this. If you see how you are able to do so. right? If you find something good, just let me know, we'll trade together, right? So let's try that 950 to 1010, right? Let's do a demo trading here, because I'm not gonna take it in any other account, because I am not convinced enough right now. So 950 to 1010, okay, we're looking for a price to close above inversion after sweeping a liquidity, right? So if price sweep till this low and forms a inversion here, then we look for long between this time window, okay. 1 to 2 will be our 1 to 2 will be our target. Check today in live. What does your mentorship offer? It's nothing, bro. It's just how I trade. Turtle soup, CRT, that's all. Nothing fancy. Let's see. You check views on USD CAD. You check in 5 minutes CIST. Yes, but I'm not gonna do anything else. The trade is done. Tomorrow is FMC, so stay away. See, let's see. Took this, right? Sweep. It got swept here. If this closes above this inversion, if it forms an inversion here, closes above, then we can look for longs. It's a strategy. Which is, I'm right now backtesting. It's in backtesting page. Still not convinced enough. I'm not convinced enough, right? So you take everything in demo. No, not in a live account. Yeah. No, there was no variable gap is not there. No trade. Bad luck. Okay, let's see USD CAD. Any other pair, guys? Tell me some pairs. This gives me some exciting trades. USD CAD, what you will do? Nothing you can do. Nothing else. Let's go to, sorry, it was USD JPY. My bad. Let's go to USD CAD. USD CAD, the fair value gap will be created here, na? So wait for a doji candle to form inside the fair value gap. Okay, an order block. That's the thing you can do in this. Today I have those who are in the live today, right? I have shared one strategy of scalping Nasdaq, right? So you can backtest that. If anybody finds something affecting some results, DM me. Let's see how can we make it much more better, right? I have not I'm not trading that. I'm just figuring out how I can make it better, right? That's the edge which I have found just looking the charts. So between these two macros, between 950 to 1010, it happens, right? So see, you are able to spot anything else, so that would be good. Maybe it can be game changer for you guys, right? Let's see USD, JPY, any other pair, guys. You want me to today's trade is done for me. That's good trade. Nothing so far. Just focus on the USD, this pair only, US or this Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones, we have this for our fair value gap. Let's see how price is doing inside this fair value gap, or we can come to this here and we'll see what's going on. There's only 12 likes. So sad, man. So like, I'm bad at doing this thing. Okay, those who have not subscribed to the channel, go and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, right? And we'll see. Nothing so far. Your bias on U and Q, bro. I have already explained the bias on U and Q, right? I think you came late. My bias on UNG was bullish, but now right now I have no bias. The moment price took out the high, Tuesday high, the last week. Okay, so my bias is neutral as of now, right? This was the order block. We're expecting price to come and take out the high. The trade is done, right? Okay, I also said that the chart on X, but nothing we can do here. Did not come to my level. I just you can do nothing, to be honest. You enjoy both. I'm talking about India से कहाँ bro? What is that 19k? Where is that 19k? Which one you're talking about? 19k. India से कहाँ से हो? Bro, I'm from Bihar, but I stay in Odisha. And what is that 19k? Which one are talking about 19k, bro? I'm not able to figure that out. Yes, so the reason why I'm not telling you guys to enter, there was no order block. Good order block was there, so it keeps on going lower and lower. Here, let's see. Let's wait for price to form an inversion first, then only we are trading between these macros. We have to look for trades. Okay, so let's see. Are you able to still bad luck? There is no inversion here. If there is no inversion, there is no trade. 10 o'clock is gonna hit. 10 o'clock is gonna any question you have, you guys have, just go and put that thing in the comment section, right? We'll see. Hello. What is that pair, bro? It's a Nasdaq, na? US Tech. So far nothing. Okay, price did not show. Where was the timing thing? We have 10 minutes left, right, to look for entries in this strategy. You guys want back test this? Let's see whether it has happened last on Monday or not. Okay, Monday between 10 to here between 9:50 and 10:10. Yeah, yes. So are you able to see price taking out a swing low? It would have ended in a loss. Taking out a swing low, right? Closed above this inversion. Okay, but the entry you got out of the time window, right? So there was no entry. Okay, now let's wait for next trade around 10:50 to 11:10, right? Okay, so we're waiting for price to take out swing low or swing high, nothing has been taken out. Swing low got taken out here, and closing above this inversion, but still you got the entry out of the time window, right? So there was no entry. Okay, let's see here. Come to the current chart. Yeah, I just saw there is no inversion. Still there is no inversion. Okay, I hope you guys understood the strategy. Gold, let's see. Gold I have explained now. Gold, let's start from the weekly time frame, right? Gold, we are creating all-time highs, right? Every time price moving higher. So as of now in gold on weekly time frame we have this order block, right? Now come to daily. Around daily we have this fair value gap, right? So this is a good key level. So wait for price to come to this area, wait for the price to do the lower time frame confirmation here, then look for longs, right? That's the bias, that's the my analysis. There we go. And come here, nothing so far. If price did nothing, then we'll close the session because it makes no sense to us. Yes, price action, is doing nothing. Tomorrow is we have FOMC. Let's see. So tomorrow we have FOMC 2 p.m. 2:30 p.m. around 14:30, right? So yes, so better wait for FOMC to play out. There will be two news, right? Two time manipulation will. So first, the way it happens mostly, first they will manipulate around 2 to 2:30, right? And from 2:30 to 3 and this news around 2:30 p.m. news, they will move against the other direction, right? So I would suggest stay away from this news. Very difficult to trade. Okay, then we can trade on Thursday. It's good. Unemployment claims is a good news. And Friday we also have FOMC member Williams speaks. Not that much important. Okay, but tomorrow is exciting day. Let's see what the interest is gonna be, right? So interest rates affects the market mostly. FOMC will again show us the clear direction where price is likely to go, right? So whether they're gonna increase the interest rate or decrease the interest rates, if you really guys want to understand the fundamental part of this, so go and try to understand how interest rate affects the market, especially forex. Okay, it affects a lot. Okay, so if you really have, okay, see, there was no, to be honest, there was no inversion was there. No, there was no inversion, so there is no trade. I guess there will be no trade. So you go and check again around 10:50. You go and see that same thing, whether it is happening or not. Okay, from 10:50 to 11:10. Okay, this is the time window. We look for price to take out the low. Okay, and close above the inversion. Close above the inversion, and we will enter inside the inversion, inside this time frame window, and look for 1:2. That's the trade idea. Okay guys, so there is nothing else to do right now, so we will see again in the next live session. Whenever I see if there is a good opportunity, then I will show you. Okay, until then, enjoy your day and see you in the